Unraveling, quite, an adverb of degree. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to delve into a very important topic in English grammar: adverbs of degree. Specifically, we'll focus on the adverb, quite. This adverb can help you express different degrees of qualities, conditions, and actions. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use this versatile adverb in your daily conversations. Quite is an adverb of degree, which means it's used to modify adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. It indicates a moderate degree or amount of something. For instance, you can say, "The film was quite interesting," to express that the film was moderately interesting. It's important to note that quite is usually used in positive sentences, and it often adds a positive connotation to the sentences. Interestingly, quite can have different meanings depending on whether it is used with gradable or non-gradable adjectives. Non-gradable adjectives are adjectives that cannot be intensified because they already express an extreme state, such as amazing, perfect, dead, etc. When quite is used with these adjectives, it means completely or totally. For instance, "The view was quite amazing," means the view was completely amazing. On the other hand, gradable adjectives are adjectives that can vary in intensity or grade, like cold, happy, interesting, etc. When quite is used with these adjectives, it means fairly or to some degree. For example, "She is quite happy," means she is fairly happy. Many English learners often confuse quite with other adverbs of degree, such as very or extremely. While all these adverbs are used to modify adjectives or other adverbs, they convey different degrees of intensity. Remember that quite indicates a moderate degree of intensity, not as strong as very or extremely. For example, "The tea is quite hot," means the tea is moderately hot, while "the tea is very hot" implies the tea is extremely hot. In conclusion, the adverb quite is a very useful word in English. It is versatile because it can modify adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs to express different degrees of qualities, conditions, and actions. Remember the difference in meaning when used with gradable and non-gradable adjectives. Keep practicing using quite in your conversations and writings, and soon, it will become quite natural to you. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next video.